it's your girl Key. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing y'all a vlog. Now today is also my husband's birthday, and earlier during the day I was feeling really sad and just, I don't want to say frustrated, but I just was feeling really down because I felt like I couldn't do anything for him. I almost forgot. I didn't forget, but I almost forgot just because the days have been flying by. But my girl Lex, y'all already know she be coming clutch for me. She helped me plan this little picnic bonfire type thing we doing. So y'all, she sitting right next to me, so I'm gonna let her explain to y'all how it's about to happen, because y'all know I'm terrible at explaining stuff. So
Hi, give me this. Hi guys.
Okay.
Hey, it's your girl Key. Okay, so what's gonna happen is she sucks at explaining stuff. No, we don't live in our car. We got a whole plan. Okay,
yeah.
We're waiting on pizza right now. But so what's gonna happen is we're gonna go set up everything, and my husband is gonna go to her house and be like, "Hey, can you come give my car a jump, because my car, I guess I left my battery on or something like that."
Got a green car,
so
y'all.
yeah, don't hate. It's called the slime machine. Head over to my channel if you want to see it. And subscribe to Key's channel if you're not subscribed. Period. 100K. I like how we were in sync. 100K this year. So yeah, my husband is gonna go to her husband's house, or go to her house, knock on her door, be like, "Hey, my car isn't starting. Can you give me a jump?" Boom, right? So he gonna do that, but really he coming downstairs to see the surprise. So that's basically how the whole thing is gonna unfold.
Period. Then why can't I explain it like that?
I don't know. Here.
y'all know I'm extra. But yes, y'all, so we waiting on the pizza. I got some of Javante's favorite things. I got him a cheesecake, y'all. This man love him some cheesecake, okay? So I picked him up a cheesecake. I also got like a Reese cup and a Payday, because that's like his favorite snacks. I picked up a birthday card, because I give him a birthday card every single birthday, and I put like a little nice message in it. But y'all, like I said, these days kind of flew by, and I feel so bad because like we've been together for so long and I kind of forgot. But anyways, we about to make it up, okay? So yeah, we about to have pizza down there, little bonfire. We got some games, y'all. He been dying to play Monopoly with freaking John and Alexis, so we gonna play Monopoly with him because he want to play so bad. But yeah, y'all, it's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna record the whole little process. I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below. Do I have anything else to say? Oh, also say happy birthday to my babe, period, because y'all, that's what you're supposed to do. Say happy birthday to him. My birthday is in 16 days, y'all. Get into it.
Dang, your birthday coming up fast.
I know. Next you know, my birthday gonna be here. We're gonna be like, damn. But yeah, y'all, see y'all a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is what the setup looks like so far. I've added some rose petals to the grass. It's gonna be a pain to clean up, but it's worth it. We got our little champagne glasses and all that cute stuff. We got some games in here, some lighter fluid. We're gonna light some candles. What else? Is that a bug? It is. Get off. Oh gosh. I think those are bats. We got Uno right here as well. Put that over there.
Birthday to Javante, number 1. Cheers to new friendships, new beginnings, and achieving all of your goals in 2021. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
So good. It feels all fancy. Thank you. Ah, that's so good.
How's
it was
it
worth the wait opening all of it.
I feel the same.
Feel the same?
Yeah, young Thundercat.
Get out of here.
Young Thundercat.
Hey crew, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Key. Today I'm bringing y'all a vlog. I'm with my girl Latayia. So y'all, we at the Southeast Botanical Gardens right now. About to go stroll a little bit, pick out some picture taking spots. You know, you can get in the content, you feel me? Cause y'all know it's all about growth this year, leveling up, upgrading the content, and that's what we doing, period. Out here, Okinawa, Japan. Don't y'all wish I could be here? It's a beautiful day today. Real nice. As y'all can see, the sun in my eyes. I ain't come prepared like Latayia. Oh wait, you even got your glasses on. Y'all, she had glasses. Damn. Thought she was about to shine, y'all. But we over here strolling right now, about to enter it. So, about to put a little B-roll footage for y'all. So, enjoy.
Ryan Little.
Y'all, Latayia about to hit the stain on me. Oh, how pretty. We don't want no smoke. We don't want, we were just walking. Oh, they said get the fuck out of here. Horses could jump.
I know. We can go that way. We just gotta be quiet.
Heard you. Y'all, that horse said shut the fuck up. Not us gonna get attacked by a dead horse. That horse can't see. Even see.
Okay? My heart was pounding. I almost took off on your ass about 5 times.
Y'all, this horse has something covering its face, so only it could hear. But it was like neighing at us, like, get away. Gotta watch my back, make sure that thing ain't coming. Latayia clutch with the whole changing room though. Get at us. Who y'all know doing this? Probably a lot of people, and we just not getting on it, but look at us. So y'all at picture location number 1, about to get into my fit. About to put on these brown boots. These not even brown, girl, these is black. About to put these boots on.
Ryan Little.
Put these boots on. About the angles. So y'all, we just finished up taking pictures. Y'all seen the vibes, y'all seen them. Make sure y'all following both of us on Instagram. Of course, I'm always leave Latayya's Instagram and her YouTube channel down in the description box below. Go follow her at So Dazzling, period, because she is dazzling, okay? And then y'all already know my stuff. If you don't know my stuff, why you following me? What you doing, boo? But we about to hit the thrift store, y'all. Y'all know I've been dying to go thrifting, so I'm super excited. Fingers crossed I can find some little cute pieces, because y'all know I'm considered thick out here, because you know everything be running small and I'm thick. I got a little junk in the trunk. Y'all see it? So yeah, and then after that we gonna grab something to eat 9 times out of 10, because you know, long work days, you gotta eat to stay energized. You got to. So I'll pull y'all back out when we get there.
This one is a little more expensive than I'll buy it.
Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Key. Today I'm bringing you guys another vlog. I am back at the Southeast Botanical Gardens to take more flicks. if you guys did not watch the vlog previous to this one, then you probably don't know what's going on. So at the end of the day, I was out with my girl Latayia over there, and we was taking pictures, but then we saw a bunch of other picture taking spots, and then we was like, yo, what, we gotta come back. So now we back, and we about to take some pictures today, and it's even more beautiful day today. Yo, it's so freaking gorgeous outside. It's a little breezy today. It wasn't as breezy the other day, but we still about to take some flicks, get it popping, get this content together. So I hope that you guys enjoy today. I am feeling cute, real cute. Highlight popping, skin glowing. Okay, get into it. Let's put my shades on and get y'all straight, cause y'all leaning a little bit. Yes, I am. Oh snap, wind, don't be taking my camera with you. Oh, look at them, they taking pictures too. I'm so annoyed. Okay, camera, stay up with my crooked glasses. So this is gonna be fit number 1, y'all. Get into it. I'll give y'all fit details in a haul that I'm gonna be recording. So you know what you gotta do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get a notification for when that video does drop. Because y'all, I've been doing some shopping, like a lot of shopping. Kind of scared to look at my bank account, but it's okay. It's okay. It's all for the slaves. You feel me? Oh, that's a cute thumbnail. Wait, other way. Okay. So y'all, I see y'all when we get to picture taking spot number 1. So we are at picture location number 1. Let me show y'all real quick what the vibe is. So this little area right here is real cute. So I'm gonna set y'all down and let y'all enjoy. Watch us get our content setting up right now. Period. Make sure y'all following us on Instagram so y'all can see these bomb pictures. Latayya's Instagram is so dazzling and mine is Keyana Talented. As always, they will be listed down in the description box below. Let's go check us out. Y'all, it started to rain on our parade just a little bit, but it stopped and the sun is starting to come back and those little clouds is passing over. So we about to change into outfit number 2 and flick it up real quick. Yo, not you creeping in the window though. So we about to get in a little tent. I gotta stand by, make sure nobody try and knock it over. If you're a creator and you take pictures and different outfits and things like that, I definitely recommend y'all getting a little pop-up pod. Alright you guys, so I have on my other outfit. It's just a nice little button up, a pink button up with this white t-shirt, these like cute little shorts and white sandals, and we just gonna call it a day, get some flicks in here. I'll probably come back another day and take some pictures and that skirt with a different top, because I really do want to take pictures in that skirt here because it just it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm about to go take my pictures and then it's gonna be time for lunch because y'all, I am hungry. I'm hungry, and also I don't have the microphone on like plugged in right now, so let me know if you guys can hear a sound difference between the footage in earlier's video and now. And I catch y'all in a little bit. I'm hot. Y'all, Latayia getting set up right now. We're gonna be taking some photos in this little refrigerator. Y'all, we so happy now. Hey you guys, welcome back to my vlog. It is now Sunday and I'm with my girl Lex. We about to go get some ramen. And then that'll be the end of this week's vlog right now. So we in American Village. We going to Lex ramen spot. Y'all, Volcano open, so I will be taking y'all to Volcano with me one of these days. Sometime this week because I'm addicted to Volcano, so I gotta get it.